Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. Happy Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer Day. Mrs. Hensley has antlers. Mrs. Hensley has a Rudolph sweater. And Mrs. Hensley has Rudolph's on her pants. So, I will send out a picture of Mrs. Hensley dressed up in a little while, in a little while. Okay, it is time to do our reindeer craft. Okay, so are you guys ready? Okay, this is fun. You will need all of these. Okay, let me show you what you will need. You will need Rudolph's head. You will need Rudolph's antlers. You will need Rudolph's feet, hooves. You will need Rudolph's ears. And you will need Rudolph's nose. You will also need a glue stick, scissors, pencil, marker. Okay, are you guys ready? I'm not doing one because Mrs. Hensley already has one that I will show you, okay? So I'm just showing you what to do. Got it? Okay, Mrs. Hensley's friends, you are going to cut out Rudolph's head. Okay, cut out Rudolph's head. Then, cut out Rudolph's antlers. Okay, I'm going to cut out one. Well, no, I'm not. I'm just going to show you with mine. Okay, so what you are going to do, no, let Mrs. Hensley do it. I'm going to cut out his head real quick, okay, and it is going to be quick. And remember, Mrs. Hensley is holding her scissors to the sky, okay? Okay. Mrs. Hensley heard one of her doors open, and I thought somebody was coming in. It's just scared me a little bit. Mrs. Hensley and Hudson and Madison are the only ones here. Okay, where is this going when I'm done? In the trash, okay? Okay, and then I'm going to cut out, you're cutting out both antlers, Mrs. Hensley's friends, but I'm just going to cut out one because it takes time when Mrs. Hensley is doing the whole project for you, okay? I want you to use a little bit of your creativity making it. Oh, and the door just opened, so I believe it was Mrs. Hensley's puppy. And it's cold outside, so Mrs. Hensley's going to have to shut the door in just a moment. Okay. Okay, so I have one antler. You're going to have two antlers cut out, okay? But I want to show you what you're going to do with your glue stick, okay? On your glue stick, you're going to put glue right here, okay? So let me show you. Right there on the front of your antler. You can also turn your antler around and do it that way if you don't want these black lines showing, okay? Your antler is going to go on the back of his head, okay? On the back of his head. So it's going on the back, okay? So you're going to glue it on, you're going to glue this on the back, just like that, okay? And you might not want to, okay. And you kind of have to press it down a little bit, okay? Okay, so it's going to be just like that. Mrs. Hensley had glued it, but then she also put some tape on the back, to hold it together. Okay, so you'll glue it from the back. Okay, instead of on the front, you'll glue it from the back. Okay, then you're going to cut out his ears after you have both antlers on your Rudolph. Okay, cut out his ears. Mrs. Hensley is only going to cut out one to show you. Okay, then you're going to put glue on the back. And you're going to glue it right here. And then the other one will go right there. Okay? Okay. Then you're cutting out his nose. And his nose will go in the middle. And then his hooves, you will cut out both hooves. And they will go on the bottom. So you'll put the glue on the back of them. So you have his antlers that are glued on the back. Okay? Then you have his ears. Okay? Then you have his nose. And you can wait to put on his nose after you've drawn his eyes and then put on his nose if you want to. Mrs. Hensley put the eyes and the little eyelashes. I put those on with pencil and then I went over them with black marker. Okay, and then I cut out my nose and put it there, and then I made my smiley face. And then I cut out my hooves and glued the back of my hooves and put it on that way. Okay, so this is how Rudolph is going to look when you're finished. Okay, I wrote my name on the back, but you do not have to write your name if you do not want to. Rudolph is yours to keep. You get to keep it at home. You don't have to bring it back. So if you want to maybe hang it somewhere, ask your parents or your guardian or your family members if you can hang it somewhere in your house for Christmas. You can do that. If you don't want to, you don't have to. Okay, so this is your Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. I hope you guys enjoy all of the reindeer activities that we have today. So it's Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer Day. Also, if you are wearing something Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, don't forget to take a picture and send it to Mrs. Hensley. I want to see all my reindeer friends. I love you. I miss you. I can't wait to see you again. And Mrs. Hensley will talk to you soon. Bye, friends. Have a terrific Tuesday. Bye.